Alright, here we are, 6534 Limekiln Pike. Just showing where we're at right now. Everything's all ripped. We got the wood out here to put the wood up. Okay. And then I'm going to foam it. So I'm going to put all new wood in here and up around there. Okay.
Okay, I'm here at 6534 Limekiln Pike. You can see we filled in these areas with fresh new wood. You can see all across the top. We also had to do down the sides of each window with the 12-inch by 66. And also on the side here. Same thing, we did all sides. You see there, you see here. Same thing, you can see here, you can see here. And everything's been closed off here. We're sealing everything up for the snow. And use that, see that we've used the Dow 3/4 inch. Everything has fresh wood and everything is being sealed around. Okay, back online here, I just want to show the finished product from Friday when we were here. You can see all the flashing has been laid, overlapped properly. You see the Dow 3/4 inch, so you can see how the sides have been closed off. Still have to finish from here up. This stuff here is all separate. We also have the top pieces for here, but you can see we run corner flash. I showed earlier with the new wood around everything. Now we're going to get ready to start capping our windows. Okay, you can see here how we've opened our corner posts up to give it that angle. You can see we've continued our flashing from earlier on the previous, how we filled everything in. You can see what I'm talking about here. I have the piece to fill in across the tops of all of them. You can also see we've started running all our panels. I've put the face on first, brought my lines across so that everything you can see lines up, leveled out our first pieces. Same thing over here. You see how everything's coming up and across. This is that window that needs attention. It was already brought in. And the same thing with the close off here. You can see I have the piece. Okay, you can see here I've ran my panels all the way to the peak. This is just for water infiltration, even though the stack of the soffit will run across here. You can see I've ran Cornish caps. These will help keep my soffit all square. Alright, here's what I mean. You see the J channel will come across here, like so. Then I had to put these ears on the side to cover off all that was left over here. Then you can see we run our J channel straight across where this miter meets across. Then you put your panels in and this gets closed off under here. What I'm going to show you over here is what I mean. You can see here you get two panels that run this way and then you run your other two this way. We're going to put a corner close off in there to keep the water out, and this bottom piece gets blocked off. But you can see everything in here has been watertight, it's been sealed. It went above and beyond, you can see it over here, and then that extends out. Okay, continuation, you can see here the soffit crown is ran, a stack. You can see everything came out nice. Only one little piece there to close that off. It's nothing much. Just got to do the close off here, here, on the outs, cap everything across the top. Still put your sills on, and then the first floor work. Okay, back online. You can see all the capping and flashing is now placed on. can see our J channels sit over the corner posts, so they're not open at the top. It's a common problem that gets ran into. Also under here, you can see everything's been closed off. Everything's been silicone and also mucked. And we head up here and give you a peek. Also down here, the sills have been placed on. Everything's coming out nicely. And also up here, you can see all caps have been mucked in. And also anything that we've seen around each side of the party box, we did what we could.
I just want to show progress where we're at now. Pretty much done. Just doing the finishing touches. Albie's mucking in the drip cap here. BJ's putting on the end caps. Alright. Capped all this off too under here. Okay. It's all called clean caulk cap. It's good. Oh. Alright, that's it.